So today it's going to be another quick little craft video. I hope you enjoy this. It's a bit random, I know, but I did film them, so I thought I'd share these with you. How to make, and these are good little last minute DIY gifts for your kids, friends, family, just random things. These. Now basically I had the marshmallows, the hot chocolate. I did have to buy this marshmallow, but I basically had everything at home to make these. They cost about £6 altogether, and I could have made about 12, maybe 15, but I made 6, and then I kept the little bits for extra little things to make throughout Christmas. But yeah, I'm going to share with you how I made them. Right, here I am showing you the stuff you need. So mini marshmallows, £1. These red nose marshmallows I got from Home Bargains. They were £1, but I'm sure you could find something or even squish larger ones into that shape. Hot chocolate. So I made the mistake of having Starbucks one in the cupboard. I thought, oh, I've got enough. No, I didn't. So I had to go and buy some hot chocolate. So I bought budget one. Then a glass, spoon, sellotape. And the little cellophane cone bags, I got them from Amazon. You can buy them from pretty much anywhere, basically, and that's what you need. So here I am measuring out my little marshmallow sponge to be the bottom of the bag, so it looks like a nose. And then I'm drawing on his face now, because I thought it would be easier than drawing on his face once the bag is filled. So I've done these little eyes, because obviously the red marshmallow is for his nose. If you can hear snoring, I'm sorry, that's Mina. Now I'm drawing on his antlers. Not the best job, but you know. And then the cup, it can be any cup. It doesn't have to be a specific cup, but I chose a glass one so I can see. But I'm putting his little nose in here. And then putting his little nose in here, and then I'm going to sellotape it, the little end, so it's like flat. So hot chocolate doesn't pour down to that little bit and go past his nose, because then it would spoil, because I have made that mistake. And then I'm putting it into a cup. I chose glass so I could see. So I've already made some of these hot chocolate things. I can think you can see one actually there. So I ran out my Starbucks hot chocolate, so now I'm just improvising with good, cheap, old cheerful. I don't drink hot chocolate, so I don't know the difference. But obviously just use your hot chocolate of choice. These are for the kids, so I don't think they're going to notice. So do your desired amount, how much the instructions say. So I think the instructions on that one said 3 scoops. So I've done the 3 scoops in, and then I'm going to layer it up with the marshmallows. And this basically is a little hot chocolate in a reindeer bag, basically, because that's your marshmallows or your hot chocolate. So then I'm going to do the curling ribbon. Now make sure you tie this curling ribbon tight, because I made the mistake of not tying it tight enough at first. So tie it tight and then do a second knot and then curl your ribbon. I didn't do that. I just done 1 knot and then curled my ribbon and the knot uncurled. So definitely do 2 knots. But as you can see, just to curl the ribbon, you run your scissors along the ribbon. Really simple. Dead simple. I'll have everything in the description box that you need for this craft. If I can link them, I'll link them. But you can get these basically from the supermarket if you've got a good size supermarket near you. And then he's done. This is my little reindeer hot chocolate in a bag. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video in any ways. And thank you so much for watching my Christmas videos. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. Let me know if you like these type of videos, because I could do some Valentine's Day crafts and things like that. If that's something you are interested in, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.